Hi there, now I'm out again. This time I'm on my home lake, Uttran, and I'm testing the new built pontoons. The wind is supposed to be mixed between 4 and 20 knots, so I thought that would be a perfect opportunity to check out the performance of the pontoons. Just now we have very faint winds and not much of the pontoon is down into the water, as you can see. The wing profile that I built into these pontoons are starting at the very bottom of the profile, meaning that even at this faint wind I will have some lift on the pontoons, pushing the kayak upwind a little bit. And that's better than on the old pontoons, because at very low speed I didn't have any lift at all, and it was a bit hard to keep the course. When the wind increases a bit, more of the pontoon will be underwater and generating more lift. It's actually very possible to adjust the course by just altering the very small rudder. Very nice performance. The only thing I haven't been able to test yet, and that's because it doesn't blow enough, is that what happens when the upper third of the pontoons are pulled down under the water. I have put a flange there to increase buoyancy for not capsizing at very high wind speeds, like about 30 to 35 knots. What did you think about the test evening? Please leave a comment. If you liked this episode, you might want to see the total sea test. Why not subscribe so you do not miss that?